Cooking keys. Quick recipes. 30 minutes, one pan, and a sauce that actually clings to every noodle. This is garlic butter chicken pasta, and it is exactly as satisfying as it looks. You will need about a pound of chicken, 4 cloves of garlic, 8 ounces of pasta, a cup and a half of chicken broth, 2 tablespoons of butter, and finishing cheese to taste. Serves 2 to 3. If you need it dairy-free, swap the butter for olive oil before the garlic goes in. This recipe lives or dies on timing. The chicken needs a real sear, the garlic has to bloom without burning, and the pasta starch has to do some of the work, so the sauce turns silky instead of greasy. The payoff is a pan that goes from separate ingredients to one glossy, savory finish in under 30 minutes without dirtying a second pot. Slice the chicken into pieces that will sear quickly and season them before they hit the pan. Mince the garlic, measure the pasta dry, and have your broth and cheese ready so nothing stalls once the heat is moving. Sear the chicken in a hot pan and let it pick up real color before you move it around. Once you have browned edges and fond starting to sizzle on the surface, drop in the butter and garlic so the aroma opens up underneath the meat instead of sitting flat on top. Add the pasta and broth straight into the pan and let the starch start doing the heavy lifting. As it simmers down, scrape up the brown bits, fold the chicken back through, and watch the butter and pasta water simmer into a sauce that coats the noodles instead of puddling at the bottom. The last 2 minutes is where you decide if this tastes finished. Simmer and toss until the noodles drag through the sauce with resistance, then hit it with the final seasoning and cheese so everything tightens together. The chicken should look glazed, the pasta should shine, and the pan should feel full but not soupy. Twist the pasta into the bowl while it is still steaming and make sure the chicken sits on top. Finish with pepper, fresh herbs, or extra cheese, then get close enough to show the sauce clinging between the noodles.